Hey guys, it's Mela and welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. Today I will be showing you a Rumba practice routine for women. Okay, so first I will show you the first part, walking through the steps and talking it through. So we're gonna start with a cucaracha to your left side. You have cucaracha, close, other side, cucaracha, close. You're gonna do a forward walk turn with the swivel with the foot. Step forward into a sliding door. You have sliding door. You're gonna step through the foot. Forward, this is gonna be fast. You're gonna drop down and you have hip, hip. Let me show you the same exact first part, but with counts now. So we start, we go 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1. Now I'll show you the same part, but facing the back. Here we go. We go 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1. So now I'll show you the second part of this routine. So we just finished with the drop. We did the hip, hip. Now we're gonna do 2 rumba walks, diagonal back. We go walk and walk into a nice spiral turn. We do a ronde to the front, step, step, side. Now we're gonna have crab walks. We go crab walk, crab walk, crab walk, into a hip twist, hip twist, hip twist. Close the feet. You're gonna do a hip, hip, switch the feet, and from beginning, cucaracha. All right, now this part with counts. So we're here, we go 3, 4, 1. Go 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, switch 4, 1 from beginning. Okay, now I'll show you the second part with counts, but facing the other way. Here we go. 3, 4, 1. We have 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, beginning. 2, 3, 4, 1. All right, let's put it all together, make one big routine. Here we go. Start with cucaracha. We go 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, beginning. 2, 3, 4, 1. All right, once again, all together, but to the back. Here we go. And 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, beginning 2, 3, 4, 1. All right, guys, now let's try it with a little bit of slow music. Here we go. Prep. 4, 1, go. 2, 3, 4, 1. Very good. All right, again, we're gonna do it one more time with slow music, but facing the back. Here we go. 4, 1, go. 2, 3, 4, 1. Very nice. All right, let's try it one more time, but with normal tempo now. Ready? 4, 1, go. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Nice. All right, guys, let's do it one last time with normal tempo, but facing the back. Here we go. Prep, get ready. 2, 3, 4, 1, go. 2, 3, 4, 1. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this practice routine and I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.